if you can. Put live chat on. Welcome to live. Okay. Okay, there's the 9 a.m. candle. And I think we're ready for longs soon here. Okay, bet. That works. Cool. Then this just says put user in timeout, hide user on channel, add as a moderator. It's pretty cool. Alright, cool. Yeah, the connection says really good now. I think I just had to up the bit rate, so that's good. Alright, that's a crazy candle, bro. Some very long wicks on both sides. Got a high of 545.4 and pretty close to pre-market low at 541.3. I'm gonna mute myself, Bryce, because I don't want you to just like hear me if I'm talking too much, like talking to the stream. All right.
Where would the entry be though? You know, like
Right now,
just gave us the entry on that last candle. Here we go. If it comes back to pre-market high or the VWAP.
Excuse me. I don't know, that 1 minute candle just looks like indecisive to me, and even on the 5 minute, like it's just like long wick to the upside, long wick to the downside. We're just kind of in the middle, so like yeah, I don't.
We are holding above pre-market high.
Yeah, yeah, we are, and we're holding this trend line too that we broke.
Holding VWAP.
Well, let's see. Let's see if we continue to hold VWAP.
Crazy gap down.
We didn't gap down. We gapped up. What do you mean?
Right, like gap down in the sense of like that's how we would feel it. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah. Okay. That is a huge gap, bro.
Yeah.
It's a huge gap. I'm gonna draw that.
And if you want to look at it, you know, bearish.
What is this low? This is 539.5 is the low. Okay. Boom.
I mean, there's nothing that on the higher time frames is screaming bearish, but like we did create a big gap, and we are at equal highs, so that does kind of make me think, if anything, it might get a pullback, like on the higher time frame. Because we are at all these equal highs. If you look at like the 30-minute on SPY, it's like.
Yeah, it's like where the news candle made is close to that, and then the 2 days after that, and then even the day after that,
right. So
and then now we're here.
Or rejected again, probably.
Yeah, we're staying below it right now.
Right. Yeah. Staying below the news day, but the 14th and the 15th, like we're holding that high of day pretty much is what we're doing. We're trying to like see if we can maintain up there. But it is very indecisive right now. Like, I think a good move is fixing to happen though. Like look at the 15-minute and the 30-minute.
So I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at the 15-minute.
They both like everything. The 5-minute, the 15 minute and the 30 minute are just like straight up indecisive candles.
I'm getting that out of here, bro.
But it is holding you up.
Yeah, bro. This shit is far. Dude, I don't know. I think it's gonna fall, bro. I think we're overextended. I think we're very high. Like for I don't know. But yeah, I think this looks like a better short than a long, in my
Like,
opinion.
just because of where we're at.
But like the fact that we can kind of validate like both sides just makes me not want to like pick a side, you know?
Like I said, bro, like if we actually made it up to the news high, that would be a good short. Because you're gonna have a good reaction off of that, bro.
Let's see. It is holding view up though,
But
but like
news high is
everything's sideways.
fucking $8. So
Yeah.
say it did
And
want to
the
go like
the VIX is probably up today. Oh no, it's down actually. It's just weird. Oh, it's Tesla up to 247. What's IWM, bro? What do their contracts look like? No, I'm gonna just stick with SPY. It's my bread and butter.
yeah.
Or just like inside this Newswick, this news candle.
Right.
So I think
I mean, bro, like
whichever side we
if
break,
nothing comes and nothing looks good, like we don't got.
that's what I'm saying. This is chop, bro. I don't want to be in this. I don't want to be in this.
It looks like ass on the fucking 5 minute.
Yeah, the 5 minute is just like that huge indecisive candle, and now it looks like we're gonna break for the lows. But we'll see. This is chop though. It's pretty even,
Yeah, that's
but
what I'm saying. It's like holding this level. So if you think of that just like on its own and not like with a
right,
chart perspective,
right.
it's
Like
like that's kind of bullish. You know what I mean? Like it's holding up. It's not like breaking down. It's kind of fighting for this level. But you can look at
but
it.
it's also holding down, you know, like it's holding up, but it's holding down. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
It's coming up to the same level, rejecting the same level, and then it comes down to the same level, and it's bouncing at the same level. So if we just treat that as that, right, a break and close of like either side should tell us
Yeah.
the.
Yeah.
So it looks like we're breaking up.
A good play for something like this, really, in my opinion, would probably be like the 15-minute opening range breakout. So you like mark out the high and low of your first 15-minute candle. That was with the news candle included and everything. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So like when you get a full close above that level, like on the 5 minute, you know what I mean? Then it's
Yeah.
like confirmation. Boom. Let's go. Let's go this way. So like mark out the first 15-minute high and low, and then the first close on the 5 minute.
Let's see.
So for Q's, like we're definitely within that range of the 15-minute high and low, and we're about $2 off from the upside, and we're about $3.50 off from the downside.
Just broke the news candle low. I think it's gonna short though. I think we're gonna come down, bro, and I think we're gonna go back to the gap. We're gonna fill that bitch. Yep, here it comes. Damn, that was the entry, bro. Well, here's pre-market high. So let's see if it respects pre-market high. Get a bounce back up here. This is where we try the long. We're gonna do it.
This is the bounce. If it bounces, this is where it will bounce. That's the morning star on the down to the 2.
Yeah, on the 1 minute. We gotta wait for the close though. If he gives me a 1 minute morning star, I'll take it, bro. Fuck it, I'll do it. Or is it just gonna come back up and retest the 20 SMA VWAP for more shorts? I want to get faked out here. But it does look like a good morning star on the 1 minute. That's a nice buyback on that candle. We nipped 540.75 right there. Let's see. If this next 1 minute candle can close in the upside direction, then it'll be better, but not like this. So you didn't want to get faked out there, so we wait. Now a close below pre-market low here, I say we just take it, bro. And I think we're gonna make fresh lows, yeah. Because if you kind of look at it on the 1 minute, we just broke the recent like pivot lows and retested them on that pullback. You know what I'm saying? So I like it for. I think low of day is gonna come soon. And then if we get to low of day and close below that 539.5, we get a gap fill. Let's see. Okay. Still holding pre-market high on the 5 minute here. Here comes the break. Losing 541, which is pre-market low. What, you got in short?
Yeah, bro. I said that.
Oh, I didn't even know you fucking got in short.
Yeah, bro.
Damn.
Yeah, fucking that candle smokes me.
When did you get in?
Bro, I got in with the break. Right whenever we were like, alright, here's the break, it's coming. Oh, it broke.
Oh.
As soon as it broke, bro, I got in.
I didn't never close below it though.
No, it didn't, bro.
Yeah, that was why I never pulled the trigger, because it never closed below it. Well, good you got out where you did, because I think it is gonna push here. It's got like a little mini W
Dude,
pattern.
yeah, we should have took the long, bro.
Right, I had said it down there. I was like, this is where we long it, and we didn't take it. Fuck it, bro. I'm about to get long. We're closing over the weekly high now. Again here. Fuck, we bounced it like one. We rejected it 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be the 5th time if it rejects here again.
Here's the pullback. It just broke high of day. I want to pull back for an entry for continuation.
Alright, I just got in right there. I just got in right here. Closing over the previous week high, over the trend line. We in, we up already. Alright, boom, trimming some off. Boom. All right, cool. All right, so that was pretty bullish. I don't see any reason, I guess, to sell these last two contracts really. So I'm gonna hold these. We got two left. So let's get it. We're right here, close to day's high again. We gotta get that 545 push touch again. Touch high a day. That's where I'll trim the rest pretty much, and then see if we can get re-entry somewhere else on a pullback. We are close to the second standard deviation band here though, but shouldn't be nothing. Solid close. First 5 minute to close over this weekly high. Solid. So you should get some continuation here. There it is. That was the entry. Pretty much took some off right here. And there's the push. Alright. I'm gonna put a stop in profit on this last contract and just trail it. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But I'm definitely gonna lock in 300 on the day here. And that's it. There's my last one right there. Very close to day high. About 20 cents away now. 25 cents away. There we go. If we can get a pullback to the 20 SMA, I think I'd like to re-enter maybe. It'll probably come after we touch the day high though. Probably get that first. And then realistically, if this bullish price action keeps up, we can probably see SPY really come up to the like 2 weeks prior's high, which would be 548.6, and that would be the bottom of the gap down from like 2 weeks ago, right here. So if we can get to 548, that's good. Pretty much closing over those highs on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So the next one would be the actual high of the news candle from Wednesday, I think it was, like 2 weeks ago, and that's the 548.6. So that would be like the next ideal target to the upside if we continue to get some more closes over this previous week high. Don't really see much in between here and 548 really, so here comes a pullback. See, we're getting pulled back. Okay, it's the previous week high right here again that we're testing. Coming back down to 20 SMA. Didn't even make it to day high. It was like 20 cents short. Okay, holding that previous week high though right there. Almost nipped the 20 SMA, not quite though. Word. I think I'm gonna jump back in right here. Same contracts. Alright, I just got back in. Just got back in on the hold of the previous week high there. I'm in on the 547s. Probably was a little early on the entry and could have waited for better. There's the 20 SMA here, the proper entry. If it holds, closing back below the weekly high there.
Oh god, dude.
Now I'm down on the day, so I might be getting out of these. Yeah, I'm still in. I haven't cut yet. I like that. I like that. Alright. Looks like a nice morning star on the 1 minute there. I'm gonna hold these. Oh no 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 no.
Hey, come on. Sorry, bro. Leo, come here. Come here. Get down.
Let's go, bro. That 5 minute closed over the previous week high, so that's good. Just needed to come back up over the 1 minute, and we could see this, get this push back to that previous high and day high even. Damn, keeps getting pushed down every time it gets up to that level. Come on, cold over it. Here we go. Back at break even here. Here we go. Come on. Give me the push I need. Come on. Keep it pushing, keep pushing. Damn. Didn't take any off there. Damn, bro. Didn't take any off there.
Days, but I mean, bro, as long as it holds above this 15-minute high, I mean, I think.
Oh, that's a strong buyback at least, so let's see.
Right. I just don't think it's gonna be like a clean price action, easy like trend day.
Yeah.
Wait to get that big move and then just get up. Or it could just trade in this fucking range all day. And we're just wishful thinking.
Damn, bro, I should have took some off there.
How many did you have?
Huh?
How many did you have?
I have 30 now. I averaged in. Yeah, bro, it's gonna go for these fucking last low it just put in, and it's gonna go for VWAP. Fucking A, bro. Well, we're cooked.
Yeah. See, this is why we should trade futures, bro. Bro, all we would have to do is like hold these bitches for, you know what I mean? If we really thought we were gonna get some continuation at some point today, like, what theta like fucks you.
I fucking just knew it was gonna come to fucking VWAP, bro. I knew it.
Damn, bro, fuck.
Bro, I should have fucking took some off, bro. Damn. I don't know, bro. I'm holding right now. For now, at least. While we're over VWAP and like,
Right.
I'm holding. I'm not gonna average it anymore though.
Yeah, that's a good idea, dude. What are you down right
Like 800 bucks? Damn, should I just get out?
You just said you're holding, bro. That's why I'm like, it's not a 1 minute type of trade. Like, if you really want to hold this and you think it's gonna move up, you can't watch it be red, or else you're gonna get like mixed up. Like, you either cut the motherfucker or you you know look at it on like a 5 minute or 15 minute and have true conviction it's gonna move, and then that's it. But honestly, bro, I would love for it to come like
10 a.m. is about to set up, so I'm gonna draw what the opening range is gonna look like. Alright, I'm gonna probably cut this here. If we close under this view up, rather spend my time getting in a better setup. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this here, bro. I'm out of there. Whatever. I knew I should not have traded this shit.
we said it, bro. We said it. Days like these, no trades.
And look at this fucking nonsense.
Cooked, bro. 2 trades got smoked.
Well, then I'm gonna fucking short you, then, motherfucker.
Yeah. See, that's what fucking sucks. Is I don't have anything. I have no buying power. I'm done for the day on my fucking big ass loss now. Like, I can't even fucking have my get back, dude. That shit sucks.
Shit is fucking garbage, bro. Should have just chilled after the first trade. Shit's setting up for the downside, bro. 10 o'clock's about to hit. Alright, 10 a.m. in 30 seconds. Let's see. They wick it up into the 20 SMA, enter shorts, and this shit comes to low a day. Or they hold this level, 50 fib level, and they bounce for high a day. Let's see what it's gonna be. Fucking volume is so fucking low. It's probably gonna be the bounce. Okay. Nice. Wicked pre-market high again here. I'm gonna get the fucking shorts, bro. Fuck y'all. Just pretty much came down to those equal lows from before. Bro, this is some fucking bullshit, bro. This is like manipulation.
What? Are you in something? Did you go short?
Bro, no fucking way, like. Are you fucking kidding me? What a fucking joke, bro.
All we had to do was hold it original. I mean, they're up more than where I cut. That's for sure. Are you still holding those shorts? 40%.
I was just down like 4K.
Like fucking 40% on the fucking port, bro.
Damn.
Yeah, bro. I was like 150 away from 4 bands today in the port. Now I'm at 23.50 or 23.
Fuck.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'm down pretty bad right now too. I'm down like 2K right now.
I took these fucking losses, but it's because I've been like, I was doing real good with like getting proper size, like 5 cons and being able to sum the losses today. And the past few days, I've been taking like 10 cons, and then the second trade I took today, I got in 17 cons. So yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro, getting in big is it's tough sometimes.
Yeah, fucks it. It changes like the way you should trade too much.
This shit's gonna fucking give me my money back. Come on, bitch. Give me the next fucking drop. fucking joke. And we got a trend break. Let me see these lows again to see cash. Alright. Not down too bad here. Like I said, need to see those lows to pretty much start seeing cash for real. Down like $10 a count right here. Okay, this is where we're green again. Break even at pre-market high pretty much. Below that we'll get cash. Hopefully we can get a close below that here soon. I like the increase in volume on the buyer on the sell side. I like that we're filling this wick out here. Let's go, keep fucking pushing. Don't do that. Come on. Keep giving me that fucking push. Break down. Fuck yeah. Well, I'm about to. I'm about to trim some right here. I have my fucking sell fucking set. If it fucking fills me. Alright. Fucking took 30 off right there, bro. Hold on these fucking 10. Give me my fucking bread back, bitch.
See, dude, that sucks, bro. Cause like I can't do that. I'm low-key jealous, bro.
I feel that, bro. I feel that, bro. Well, I'm gonna hold these fucking 10 for you, bro, for the glory. Hopefully they don't try to fuck me over. Two long ass wicks. Like it's gonna reverse here. Kinda sketchy. 12,000 shares just bought at 541.1. Should I just, now they're back at break even, bro?
Break even on the day. Get out of that shit. You know what I mean? Like you were just down 4 bands.
Right.
You break even on the day. You didn't make.
Well, I'm still down 600 on the day, but.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, if you have conviction, you think it'll fucking give you some more bread back? Fuck it. You de-risk.
Well, I'm glad I trimmed there. That was a good trim.
That was a good trim. I'm fucking pissed, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, this pre-market level is just trying to hold up. Oh yeah, bitch! Oh shit! Oh my god, give me my money back, baby! Wow. Alright, whatever, bro. I'm done. We just wicked into the fucking gap. Wish I had the whole position, but whatever. Went from being fucking red like 2, 3 bands today to now just making $90 there. Still got like 3,500 to play with, but I don't know, bro. Today's price action just seems really not it. So unless I see something that's like too hard to fucking pass up on for the rest of the day, like I'm probably just not gonna touch this. Um, Even though that's the gap, and I'm gonna regret not still being in if we fill the gap later today. But that's no way to live with regrets. So fuck it. We walked away green. That's what matters. Made $93. Almost was cooked today. Like seriously. So we'll just come back tomorrow and start fresh. Honestly, and that's gonna be it for today.